Hey, what's up guys? It is Card Shuffler 99 here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a really cool sort of time teleportation card trick, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. Don't forget, we do have a giveaway going on the channel. We're giving away a brick of Monarch cards, so if you guys are interested in that, be sure to enter. All you guys have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, and comment something down in the comment section below. We are going to be starting a secondary channel. We've been getting a lot of requests to do some gaming, stuff like Fortnite and other games that you guys want to request. We are not doing that on this channel. Card Shuffler 99 is select for card tricks, reveals, magic tricks, all that kind of stuff. So for everyone who subscribed to this channel, you guys are only going to get magic here. We did start another channel. It's called CS Gaming. We'll put a link down in the description. That channel is going to be select for live streams, for gaming, all that kind of stuff. So that it's all going to be on that channel. We are going to do a select giveaway on that channel as well for all the subscribers who go and subscribe to CS Gaming. Okay, so we might be doing a stream actually later on today. On that channel. Once again, CS Gaming, link in the description. We will probably do a stream later on today, and we're going to do our best to play with our subscribers that are on the stream, actually, and get you guys playing with us so we can interact a little bit more and just have fun. But yeah, guys, anyway, let's get straight into that. This is a really cool trick, so let's get straight into it. So, Robert, feel free to go ahead and select any card for me, any card you want. Perfect. Show the camera. It's fine if I see it. And what we're going to do here, Robert, I want you to pinch the card. Perfect, right there. And what we're going to do here is we're going to try to take a quick mental picture right there. So keep that in your mind, that picture right there. I'm going to take your card. Once again, last look at it. And take it, we'll put it somewhere into the middle of the deck, and we'll give the deck some cuts. We'll give it a quick shuffle as well. We're just trying to lose your card in the deck. Now, Robert, have you ever been to Vegas?
No.
No, that's fine. In Vegas, they have this little thing called a sloppy shuffle. Now, this is literally what it is. It's just a shuffle that is relatively sloppy, I guess you could say. But yeah, this is essentially it. So you can see we got some cards going face up. We got some cards going face down. We just got cards every possible direction. So you can see here, Robert, we got cards face down to face up. We got some cards face up to face down. And I bet, Robert, I can even find for you, yeah, some face up to face up cards. Now, Robert, this is what we're going to do here really quick. What was your card? Do you remember your card, Robert?
Yes, I do. The Ace of Hearts.
The Ace of Hearts. So really quick, Robert, go ahead, hold that. That wasn't your card right there, was it?
No, that was Ace
But
of
check
Hearts.
this out really quick. You can see we can go back in time, back to when all the cards were actually face down. You remember that mental picture. You were holding your card, the
Ace of Hearts. Wow.
So that is the trick, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. And anyway, let's get straight into the tutorial. So that was it right there. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. Once again, credit to this trick goes out to Jay Sankey. It's a pretty cool one. It's called Back in Time. So what we're going to do here, Robert, is I'm going to show you guys how to do this trick, okay? So this is how it's done. You're going to need a normal pack of playing cards. Doesn't matter, just a normal pack of cards. And that's all you're going to need for this trick, okay? So this is a really cool one because it's really, really easy to do. It's impromptu. You can use a shuffle pack of cards. There's no forcing, nothing like that. It's just really easy to go about doing. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have the spectators select a card. So let's just have them select this card right here. In this case, we're going to go with the 5 of clubs. Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take the card, put it face down. You can either put it on the table or you can have them hold on to it. And what you're going to do here is you're going to have them basically take a mental picture right here. So at this point, they have their card. The deck is spread out face down. Now this is the important mental picture here, okay? And that's where everything is going to come together, okay? So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to take their selection and you're going to supposedly get their selection lost somewhere into the deck of cards, right? This is a little bit, up to you guys in a sense where you guys can do whatever you want to do here. But in this case, what I did was I put the card somewhere in the middle, put pressure down on the card. Okay, this is definitely a move I use a lot. Holding a break, and then I cut this top packet into 2 where I set down, down, down. And just like that, you can get their card to come straight to the top of the deck. So once you have their card on top of the deck, you can do anything you want. You can control their card to the bottom, then control it to the top, anything you want. But I like to do that, and I always follow that up with a quick riffle shuffle. Just an easy way to help them make sure that the pack is shuffled. Now, at this point in the trick, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, And I like to talk about, Vegas, all that stuff. That's what Jay Sankey likes to do as well. But at this point, you're going to do the sloppy shuffle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the deck, you're going to turn it face up. Now, keep in mind, their card is right here on the top of the deck, okay? So you want to make sure you're not going to flash this near the end of the trick. So from here, what you're going to do is you're going to start peeling off some cards, and you're going to say, have you ever heard of the sloppy shuffle? And essentially what you're doing is you're going like this, okay? Just turning one hand face up, one hand face down, basically. And you're saying that this is the slop shuffle. You're going to say, oh, you got cards going face up, cards going face down. Doesn't matter. They're just going in random directions, right? What's really happening when you do this sloppy shuffle is that half the deck is going to go face up and half the deck is going face down. So you can see here, they're not actually getting mixed. They're just getting separated, okay? So what you can do here is you can keep going, right? You can go, same thing. It's all the same, right? Now, once you get to the final two cards, you're not going to want to flash, obviously, because that's their card. So you want to keep these last couple cards slowly intact. So what I like to do here is I like to slide off a couple at a time here. It doesn't really matter. Once you get to the last two, you're going to bring both cards to the top. Okay, so that's your final setup there. Now what you're going to do is you can show them. You're going to go for the top half here, or the top third, my bad. And you're just going to show them, hey, we got some, oh, you don't want to do that. You're going to go for right here. Okay, so there's going to be some face down to face up cards. Go near the bottom, you got from face down to face up. So you're basically showing different sort of orientations. And then you'll see here that there's going to be a natural break in the card. So you can see that we got a natural break. Now what this break is exactly where I lifted up. And that's, the exact point here is that it's really easy to find this break. And that's the good part about this trick, is you want to be able to find this break right here and show we got face up to face up cards. So once again, try not to grab the break on the first one. Just go near the top, say we got face down to face up. We got face up to face down, and then you're going to say, I can even try to find for you some face up to face up, and once again, you're going for that break, and these are the face up to face up. Now, this is exactly where the cards separate. So once again, we have all the face down cards here, and all the face up cards here. So that's where the sort of separation takes place, right, with the sloppy shuffle. So once you lift up there, what you're going to do is you're going to say, okay, I'm holding it like this, okay? I'm going to show both sides, okay? I'm going to keep the packet with their cards. Once again, their card's right here. Their card is here. I'm going to keep this packet upright. So I'm going to keep this in the same direction, except this packet here, I'm going to flip face down. Okay? So you're going to just show you both sides here, and then I'm going to turn this face down and bring this on top. So this could be natural, right? You're just like, oh, some face up, face down. And then I'm quickly going to bring this on top. Okay? What this does is it turns all the cards face down, except for one card, and then obviously their card's right underneath it. From here, what you're going to do is I like to get a break right in the corner where the two cards are. You're going to say, okay, well, this wasn't your card, was it? And they're going to say, no, that wasn't my card. You're going to say, here, hold on to that card for me. While they hold on to that card, you're going to revert back to that original picture, and you're going to say, here, we're going to try to go back in time, back to when all the cards were face down. And this is the first part of the magic, right? Because obviously, they believe that the entire packet was shuffled, right? Face up and to face down. So now this is the first part of the magic, and then obviously the second part is making the card change to their card. So, really quick, let me run through this one last time, really quick, so that is a little bit confusing. So let me go through that one more time. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to have them select a card. They select their card, okay? You're going to have them make sure they memorize it, okay? Keep that card face down. You're going to spread the deck out. You're going to say, all right, let's try to take a quick mental picture. Snap, bam, mental picture, okay? Take their card, control it to the top of the deck. You can use my control. You can use whatever control you want, okay? Bam, it's on top of the deck, just like that. You're then going to turn it face up. You're going to say, hey, have you heard of that sloppy shuffle? From there, you're going to go through, do the sloppy shuffle. Once again, go through a few cards at a time. Don't go crazy here. And explain to them. You're going to say, so what we do here is we actually get some cards going face up, some cards going face down, so the entire deck is going to be sort of mismatched. Once again, once I get near the bottom few cards, I'm going to go very slowly, peel them off. Bam, I feel the final two cards. I bring these two cards to the top. Okay, so I'm not going to separate these. I'm going to keep both cards, bring it to the top. Okay. Once again, you're going to see there's that natural break right there. That's exactly where the cards separate. So once again, all these cards are going to be face down. All these are going to be face up, except for the two that you brought on top at the end. Show face down to face up. You can show some face up to face down. And then you're going to find that break, face up to face up. You're going to keep this in the same direction, right? You can show both sides. You're going to turn this face up. bam, just like that. Now all cards are face down. You're going to say, oh, well, this 7 of diamonds here, this doesn't really look like your card. This wasn't your card. And they're going to be like, yeah, that's not my card. You're going to then say, okay, hold on to that card for me. And you're going to say, let's see if we can go back in time. Snap your fingers, spread the deck, say all the cards are back face down, and you are actually holding your card, the king. All right, so that is the trick, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that one. That's Back in Time by Jay Sankey. And this Card Shuffler 99. Peace out, guys.